Hey guys, welcome back to TDSMC Trader. Good morning to everyone. How are you all? Just let me know if everything is clear, if you can hear me perfectly, and yeah, no buffering, nothing. Last day of the year, no rush for any kind of good run or something. But we'll see if we can do anything over here or not. Welcome to everyone to this price action world. We will try to learn something better here. I wish that it's gonna be a great learning session. Last day of 2024. Just make sure that you didn't rush. GN1313, good morning. Uh, Crypt Keeper, morning, Happy New Year Eve. Okay, good morning and Happy New Year from here as well. Paimon W, okay, W, okay. Van Jian Truong, good morning, brother. Hey, cat lover. Richie Rich, good morning. Gaming Center, hey, brother. Now, morning, brother. Hudur, good morning, brother. Sharada, good morning. Happy New Year, by the way, everyone. Hey Morat, how are you, brother? Last of the year, okay. By the way, unfortunately, I was not able to stop myself to buy another. I mean, buy a Apex account. So yesterday, actually, I bought on my Apex account. Just I don't know why I buy it, but it was like so cheap. I couldn't stop myself, so I just bought one my fund futures account. Sorry, the Apex account. We'll talk about this little later, but. Let's wait a little bit for some other people to join. Then we'll start talking about the price action, I guess. Good morning, Al Mahmoudi 786. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. Gaming Center. Hi, brother. Cool. Okay. So Apex has 90% discount. 50k, 150k, 250k, 300k account just for $16.70. Really so cheap. Even the lifetime activation fees is gonna be like $85 only. Actually, I bought on 150k account. I will buy maybe 9 more just because it's too cheap. We'll talk about this later after a while. I mean, after 9:30, I guess. It's not too much, brother. Like 300k account, you will get by $16 only. Can you imagine, man? $300 account. It's huge, man. Peter is going to buy 20 accounts, and you are saying that 9 accounts. Are you kidding, man? Peter just messaged me and he's going to buy 20 accounts just because this is too cheap now. Outlander actually. No one asked again this question in 2024 from and when did you begin trading? I hope so, brother. I hope so. Brother, there is nothing wrong to buy the challenge and complete the challenge. I love to do it. In past, I bought just because from the top step I buy like near about 9 to 10 account just to pass them. I never pay the activation fees for the funded account in top step. So it was so cheap. I thought that okay, let's buy some big account and then try to complete them. Let's see. It's just an fantasy. That $16 is too cheap, man. $85 account activation is also cheap because for 200k account, the activation fees is near about I don't know, but like $200 plus, $200 plus. Okay, so that is actually expensive, but now it is cheap, $85. Yep, just for experience. I'm not interested in buying 20 Apex account. It's a distraction for me. For getting, if any of you, okay, this is my personal opinion, if any of you want the success from trading, you need more account. There is no other way. I mean, like, maybe 20 account, maybe 30 account, maybe 50 account, maybe 100 account, I don't know, but you need more account. Whoever think that I will get my financial freedom by one funded account, it's wrong. Okay, the way we think, this is wrong. It's just my opinion and my experience. So when I trade in one account, I feel pressure, but if I have like 20 funded account, I don't care about them, not anymore, because if I even blow 1 to 5 account, I don't care. I have still lot of account. And in my opinion, instead targeting 100 handle, it's always better to target 20 handle in 5 account. Simple. So everywhere I have already explained a lot about this, but now again, this is just my opinion. Okay, how to take part in giveaway? I don't want to miss today. When I will get 250 likes, I will start the giveaway, and you don't need to know. You will see, and you will see that everyone is writing T2 Wizard, explanation mark T2 Wizard, just to join in the giveaway. So no worries, brother. You will know. I have 4 forex account. You're right. Yes, sir. I think it's like, it's my opinion. Okay, just my opinion. I missed this entry actually just because of little bit. It didn't tap to this line, so I was not able to enter into this market here. Okay, I think it's time. Hey, Jakey, Kumar, how are you, brother? Let's go a little bit about the price action. Not too much interested about price action, today's price action, because today is the last day of the year. So far this order block has been respected. This order block opening has been broken, and the 50% of this broken. So I removed that order block from my chart and kept this last gap. So far the body has closed for the first time inside this daily gap. I want to see this candle is gonna be a black candle as well, and it will close, or at least it will close below this constant encroachment of this daily gap. This is the expectation from my, what to say, I mean the daily chart for Nasdaq. As this is the last day of the year, it should be, in this bullish market, it should be a bear candle, because this whole year this is a bullish market. I want to expect that the last day of the year will be a bear candle, just to make sure that it's not bullish anymore after seeing all of this gap and the respect from that order block. I can be wrong. This is just prediction depending on the time. That means last day of the year. In a bull market, it should be a bear candle, something like that. Just an expectation. From the price action, obviously it can go higher and trade this gap over here. From the daily chart, you can see there is a gap as well. I don't want to see that, because as market has traded most of the area of this fair value gap, I need a breakaway gap. So I want to see this gap will be fully opened like this way. Instead of that, market will fall and it will break this daily last bullish fair value gap. Maximum this constant encroachment can give me some kind of reaction, but at the end of the time, I want to see this is going to be broken and market is going to take this low and that low, which is the relatively equal lows. Right now my expectation, it will reach at least until this constant encroachment by today. Let's go to the hourly chart. So this is the hourly chart, and as you can see over here, market went higher. This is that hourly entry gap. Market trade that entry gap, dramatically fall here, came until this area, fully closed this entry gap. That is the sign I'm coming back again to this last fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap from the hourly chart. When it's 100% closed over here, I want to see that market should reach now to the last fair value gap, and then it will react from there a little bit, then break the last fair value gap. In the other hand, if you watch over here, this is that hourly gap, and if you mark that hourly gap over here, so that candle low, this candle high, this is the 50% of that hourly gap or the last gap, perfectly left that 50% open from the hourly chart. The highest up close body close candle, which is over here, is my order block. Opening of this order block, extend it to your right, respect here, market went a little lower, made relatively equal lows over here, then go back again higher. Where did it go? If you mark that order block 50% from here to here, this is that mean threshold. Trade that mean threshold. Wanna see that this market will keep falling and it will take these two relatively equal lows. I'm not talking about this constant encroachment, that low or that area. No, from the hourly chart, my interest to see that can market take these relatively equal lows without violating this mean threshold of that order block. So I don't want to see that market is going to take the recent high market has made, and instead of that market will keep falling and take that relatively equal lows. From 15-minute chart, this is that fall. Yesterday I told, this is that area. If you remember the 50% of that gap as well, this is that new week opening gap. My intention to see that market will go higher and take that buy side liquidity, then keep going higher. It didn't do that. Instead of that, it keep falling. When it has been fallen over here, came here, made lot of accumulation over here, extend to higher again, tried to take the liquidity, one drive, two drive, three drive pattern made, market fall, made the bearish gap. Wanna see that this highest up close body close candle will now respect, market will respect this candle and it will keep falling. If this market take that high, then I'll start to think about the buying situation. Until this high is not taken, I will keep thinking that this market will fall and it will take those relatively equal lows. In that type of situation, this gap, it can provide this type of reaction. It came to this gap, then provided the reaction. So I'm not observing this gap over here. I'm not seeing it. In my opinion, there is no gap. All I'm seeing that market is respecting this fair value gap and I have the liquidity here. So in between whatever I have, they can give me the reaction. They can't give me the reversal. Now at the same time, if this market really would love to go higher, it will close above this high with dramatic way. If in this type of situation, maybe I'll start to think about the buy from there to until the new week opening gap. Then if market can break this new week opening gap, then I will start to think about this buy side liquidity. So this relatively equal highs, those buy side liquidity I will start to think about. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for buy. I'll keep thinking about sell. If you are bullish, think about the buy. Okay. This is the Asian session over here. What was that? It was here, I guess. Yeah, it was here. So around this area, when market made this bullish fair value gap over here, you can see around this area. This is that bullish fair value gap. So when market made this bullish fair value gap around this area, I was seeing this market how it has been traded over here. It left that buy side liquidity, this relatively equal highs, and my intention yesterday to see that market will reach until this gap, at least until this gap. That was my intention yesterday to see. Just after the opening, after the PM session, after the opening, I was thinking that this market will go at least until this area. In the meantime, when it fall dramatically, it came here. I saw that it has perfectly respected this unfinished business. So when market has taken for the first time the liquidity, market structure shift, this was the entry gap, this was the last gap. Market never come back here. Instead of that, it has taken all of this liquidity. All of this liquidity has been taken, made relatively equal highs, fall here, came until this area, made relatively equal lows, took the liquidity one more time, trade that entry gap, which has been perfectly done. I was not able to look for buy around this area because market didn't make any kind of fair value gap over there. So I was waited for a bullish fair value gap that is going to be made from the 15-minute chart. This guy when appeared over here, that was my area to look for the buy, and here was the 15-minute fair value gap, 50%, I guess, if I'm not wrong. That was my target. Near about 1500 was my target over there. Whole London session I was sleeping, I didn't do anything over here, but after effect I saw that there was very nice setup as well by today. My intention was I mean, here when market came to this gap, around this gap, it came to this gap, come back again to this bear gap. I was bearish, but before bearishness I want to see that market will respect in this area a little more time. After respecting here little bit, because after that big bull, market make a retracement, take that high, break lower, give me the market structure sheet, fair value gap, everything. So if it trade that gap and keep started to fall, so it's gonna be like expansion, retracement, expansion, expansion, retracement, expansion, no consolidation. So I wanted to see that there will market will bounce between this gap and that gap, one or two times, maximum on one or two times. This is that candle. After that candle, I started to think about the buying opportunity from 15-minute chart. Market came here from 1 minute chart, took all of this liquidity has been taken. There was the market structure shift. I was thinking about a buy from this gap, from that gap, but market never came here. Instead of this, market reached to this last gap. At the same time, it has made this low, high, low, which was the breaker block. So I tried to catch the breaker block entry from this breaker block. But as market reached until this fair value gap or the last fair value gap top, I was not able to hold my trade through this gap because it has been respected perfectly, the last gap. So I actually closed my trade here around that area, which was near about 20 handle. So I took the entry there to the breaker block, closed the trade over there, 20 handle. Just a small trade, then market retraced little bit, went through this gap, came back again here to this entry gap. Same thing happened in the Asian session, expecting the same thing, market fall again from that entry gap. I got high, low, higher high, or the lowest down close candle as a breaker block, or market structure shift, fair value gap. When I got this market structure shift by this candle didn't reach over here, so I was not able to push the button over there. So I tried to take the late entry from this breaker block, but market didn't tap to this breaker block. Just for a little, I missed that 22 handle from there to until this rejection block or the breaker block around the same level you can see here until this area. That could be another 22 handle trade over here from that breaker block. Just didn't provide me that opportunity to take entry from there to until this area. Market fall little bit, made relatively equal lows. Market is going higher. Is there some unfinished business? Maybe this fair value gap is the unfinished business, or maybe this breaker block is the unfinished business. So market came here to finish that unfinished business. Then I want to see it will keep falling. In the meantime, when I have marked this gap, I wanted to see that this gap will be unfilled because market made the relatively equal highs, market structure shift, again some unfinished business. Maybe it will go for that or this breaker block. Then it will fall again. Okay guys, so I will wait until 9:30, and around 9:30 we will try to go for the first presented gap first. Already I have got little profit, okay, to be honest. How can I show you the account summary? Yeah, I have already got like $1,347 profit, but still I will go. I mean, I am just going to fun with this account because it is too cheap. Just because of that, I bought this Apex account, and as you can see, this is my first account in my life, the Apex account, like 000001. So this is the first account in my life. So I will just go with fun all of this area in live. I just took that on just for it's too cheap. I mean, I can't stop myself. I'm getting 90% discount until Thursday, January 2nd, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. EST. Okay. Lifetime price action activation fees is gonna be $85. 300k account, 250k account, 150k account, just for $16.70. It's too cheap, man. I mean, if you know anything about that, uh, you know what to say. I mean, this from amount account size value, you will see that 300K for $16, it's nearly impossible. Even the activation fees for $300, 300K account, huge, man. But here the activation fees is fixed. So $100, just for $100, you will be able to get a 300K account. Not one, you will get like 20 account. You will be able to get it. So that is why I just bought this account, as it is too expensive. I mean, too much cheap. Now I never managed 300K account. I prefer 150 because I'm used to with this 150K account. So I bought actual 150K account. Don't get confused. I never traded 300K account. So I really don't know how to manage all of these things. I'm pretty much familiar with 150K account. That's why I just bought 150 and I'll buy 9 more. So it will be all 10 just to pass. I mean, just to fun. It's not for like trading, making more money from there, nothing. If I can complete them, I'll just let them go, I think. I used your code for 5 accounts and you didn't use mine. I'll tell you this later, bro. I mean, I didn't use your code. The reason I will tell you in WhatsApp, then you will understand. I could earn $2 from it. You know how poor I need that $2 to survive. I'll tell you, man. I should do that, but why is not? I'll tell you that, brother. Bro, Apex is not available in Morocco. That's sad. Oh, okay. I really don't know about that. I just used the Portuguese residency over here because Apex is not allowed in Bangladesh as well. So I used the Portuguese documentary to get the account. Hey, and Indian fashion, how are you, brother? Sister, this is some kind of get cash quick scheme Apex is doing. Tons of millions from blown accounts loading. Now it's actually true. If you know how to trade, then go for the account. If you don't know how to trade, then it's gonna waste the money, or no, that's gonna be their earning way. But if you really know how to trade, I think this is the best opportunity to get some account. It's the best opportunity. This is just my opinion again. How much do you make a month, brother? I don't make anything, brother, by a month. I mean, what is your question exactly, brother? I didn't understand. I used ICT code. Okay, Outlander, don't do that. ICT. ICT is the boss, man. Walaikum salam, bro. Can I have your WhatsApp number? It's too personal, brother. I don't want to share it with anyone else. Okay, so I'm sorry, brother, but we are available in Discord. You can see the Discord link. We can talk over there. I'll be more active in Discord from now. So we'll do everything in Discord. Okay, we can talk each other everything. I need $100. Can you give me? I'm thinking about that, brother. My fingers telling me to ban Outlander. Please go for that, man. I really appreciate that. No, I said Apex discount was active from yesterday. I said Apex discount was active from yesterday. Yep, yep. It's active from yesterday, I guess. Yeah, yeah, brother. You told me that. To be honest, yeah, you told me. A brand new MMXM is forming as long as it clears at least the PM session high from yesterday. What's your bias? So far, I'm thinking about sell, brother. But we'll see. If market go above that high, then I will start to think about the buy. Otherwise, still now I'm thinking about the sell, or if market can go for this area. Just right now, okay, but it can be changed after 9:30. Today Tradify just posted new promo. I really don't know about the new promo. Let us know to the Discord, Aminur, brother. I'll plan for Apex account. Till now, I never used any prop from account. Okay, Pudur, you can try, brother. I mean, I think it's available for almost everyone now, and it's much more easier to for trading, because we can't provide a lot of money. So like if you can provide $100 and you can manage like a 7,000 k account, I guess it's worthy. Worthy. To be honest, it's worthy. Why 7K account? Because they will tell you this is a 250K account, but actually you will get like 7,000 maximum, 5,000 maximum amount for managing that 150K account. So it's like 5,000 account, 7,000 account, something like that. 2,000 account, not 50K account. It's a 2,000 account, something like that. But I guess it's a better deal. I just opened for 250K account with your code as Apex at Apex, brother. Thank you so much, Sujivan. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate that, man. Some of the Apex is better promo. I'm still waiting for 9:30. Okay, so around 9:30, we'll see what is going to happen. How can you have my phone number, brother? Simple sense. I mean, I never shared it with anyone. So I really love to keep my personal things safe. I mean, to be honest, I only use WhatsApp. I don't use Facebook, Insta, anything, nothing. I'm only active in WhatsApp, and I really would love to use that WhatsApp for my family member. I don't have any friend except that Protator Path. Except that guy, I don't have any communication with any other friend. So I have just friends, that means that Protator Path and my family members. So I really wanna keep it like personal, okay, brother? Sorry to say like this way, but I hope that you guys, I mean, you will understand, brother. Outlander is my brother, okay? Proterapath is my friend, but Outlander is my brother. I don't care about Proterapath, but I care about Outlander. Even I don't care about Tamim. I wonder what what things can be shared on WhatsApp but can't be shared on Discord private message. Yeah, brother, you guys can communicate with me in Discord. Okay, I always, I mean, just give me a friend request if you have something personal to say. Give me a private, I mean, friend request. I will accept your friend request. Then you can give me the message. I always read all of your messages. Okay, you can see that in my Discord there is no pending friend request. Whoever sent me the see, there is no pending friend request, and there is no pending message as well from nobody. So I always try to give all of your reply. So just I mean connect with us in Discord. I guess that's also private like WhatsApp. You can talk, you can chat, you can like share whatever you want. Yeah, Proterapath is from our home is like very near to each other, like 10-minute walking distance. Good morning, Stux. How are you, brother? Guys, don't forget to push the like button. We are going to start the giveaway when we'll get 150 likes. Sorry, 250 likes. So make sure that you have pushed the like button. 2 minutes, 1 minute to open. So please push the like button and make it. Okay, 150 people are watching. 64 likes. Everyone, please push the like button. Make sure that you have all pushed the like button, and we'll go for the giveaway when I'll get the 250 likes. I'm making something for you. If you like it, please use it. Obviously, man. If I like it, 100% I will use it. This is that order block I told you to observe. I want to see that this order block will hold the price and send the price lower. This is that 8:30 open. This is the midnight open. Here, this is the midnight open. This is the 8:30 open. Market is in extreme premium. I want to see that it will go to the discount now. So can it fall? My intention to see can it fall. Hey Mosh, how are you, brother? Hey Jack, good morning, brother. This is the upper quadrant of the opening gap. But the funny thing is, if you see this low and that low, this is the funny thing, okay? This low and that low. What a clean lows. Market went higher, trade this fair value gap. Highest up close body close candle, order block. Trade that order block, took that liquidity. Can it keep falling? I'm waiting for the first presented gap first to make sure that it's really would love to fall. So I'm waiting for that first presented gap. That is gonna make sure that it is falling or it is going higher, some whatever it is, okay? No gap yet. If no gap, no trade. It has started to make the piano. This piano is awesome piano. First, would love to wait a little bit, at least for the first presented gap. Then we'll see if we can find another entry opportunity or not. Just not in rush to go for the trade. We'll wait a little bit. $85, brother. You have to pay $85. I'll show it to you. Okay, just let me wait a little bit, then I'll show it everyone. I've already showed it one time. Just waiting for the setup. Last day of the year, so guys, be careful, okay? I just need to see that if it can make the farewell cap or not. 90% discount for Apex. It's valid until 2nd of January. Activation fees $85 for all account. Any kind of account you wanna use, $85 is gonna be the activation fees, and $35 resets. And you can see 150, 250, 300K account just for $16.70. Okay. Listen, if it doesn't take me, what can I do? If it doesn't want to take me, I have nothing to do. I was expecting that bear move. I got that bear move. See this order block here. The way I explained it, the way I told you not to observe this gap, everything you will keep counting why I did that. Okay, I'm just going to remove it because it didn't provide me that. The opening gap has been fully filled, so I'll keep that gap little bit, then I'll remove it. This is the first presented gap according to me, because according to ICT there is a gap, small gap. If you see over here, see this candle close and that candle open, there is a gap. It's the first presented gap according to ICT himself. Here, this is a gap. I'm just not interested about this gap, I'm interested about this gap. This is that liquidity, my first interest is to see. So you see this PM session low written over here. That means if you go to the regular trading hour, this is yesterday's PM session low. So can it take that yesterday's PM session low or the relatively equal lows around that area? That is my intention to see first. This small line, I don't know, can you see it or not? Very small line. Market just didn't take me from that first presented gap. It's okay. will get another opportunity if you know where market is going. By the way, anybody who catch the sale? I mean, is there anyone who was able to catch that sale? No man, he's at home. He's also barking. I don't know why you are not listening, but he's barking sometimes. No entry valid until close. The 15-minute bullish parabolic upper bearish move. Okay, Marquis. I even didn't notice that bullish parabolic gap. So to be honest, I don't know how to explain that bullish gap because I am not seeing a gap existed over there. Okay, forex trade. No worries. Guys, push the like button, please, and make it 250 likes, please. I don't know. Don't need this one. It retested this breaker block again here. This lowest down close body close candle, top of this gap, I mean sorry, candle, and low of this candle. Both of them, those area is the breaker block area. So market respected that breaker block, finished this unfinished business, and also came to this last parallel gap. Trade that area around 9:30 Judas swing, then fall, made the first presented gap, didn't provide me the entry opportunity. Now this is my liquidity level. What I wanna see primarily market is going to take. Okay, then we will see how the market is going to work or everything. We'll see everything else. But right now, this is my entry. I mean, this is my target area. I was not able to enter into this market because market didn't tap to this first presented gap. If it could tap to this gap, you saw that I put the limit order over there. It didn't provide me, so I'll wait. But it was a nice move actually. How far it has fallen. Wow, 65 handle. Huge. Let's see how we can be end our day. Whole day I'm gonna stay over here today as well, like yesterday. So we'll stay until the PM session. And you'll see that I do the same thing. I keep doing rest other things. Not even, I mean, it's the same thing, okay? So right now market is below 8:30 and the new day open. So this is the midnight open here. It is in this extreme uh, discount. Right now it is in extreme discount. Now does it want to go higher again? Or is it keep going to fall? If it is a very much trending day, then it can keep falling. Or it can take that liquidity now, then can start to go higher again because it is in discount. So I'm just adding this midnight open and 8:30 open with our analysis. But if it if it is like little tricky or little hard to understand, please don't think about these two lines. Depends, Outlander. Depends. If it takes that liquidity and then come back to this first presented cap, I'm not 100% sure what I will do. But yeah, as I told that for the first time it will tap to this first presented gap. Just because of that, I will put my limit order over there. And if I get a stopped out and market closed above this gap, then I will obviously close the trade and take a re-entry from that gap for 30 handle. I took a little risk actually. I had to cover this last gap, so I put my limit order. Okay, I got. I'm in. So let's see if it can provide me 25 handle. Exactly 25 handle. Maximum loss is 20 handle. If and only if the body close above this fair value gap, I'll close this entry and I'll try to take rebuy from this first presented gap. If and only if this the body closed above this fair value gap. Okay, body didn't close yet. Did body close or not? No. Body didn't close, so I didn't close my trade. If the body closed, okay. Now it closed, I'll close this trade over there and I'll take a rebuy over there. Stop loss is gonna be the same area. Sell stop. I'm gonna cover this area. I'm gonna check how many handle I took the loss limit from there to there. Not more than 20 handle. Would love to target 30 handle. Sell limit. The thing I keep telling you, the thing I'm doing here. Here market didn't respect this one, so closed above this first presented gap. As it didn't provide me the sell 20 handle, 25 handle, I would love to go for the buy 30 handle. As I took a loss here, so I would love to go for buy 30 handle. If this doesn't work like this way, so today's first presented gap didn't work the way I was expecting it will work. I'm not going to use this first presented gap anymore by today. Okay. This first presented gap I'm not going to use anymore because it didn't work. These two candle, okay, my mistake. I didn't cover the volume balance. Shit. I forgot to cover the volume balance. Let's see if it can take me one more time, because I forgot about the volume balance to cover. I don't think so that it will take me again. I hope it will take me. I didn't cover the volume balance. I forgot about that. This time I should I should not go for this entry because it has already provided, I guess, the 25 handle from that gap. Let me check actually. If it doesn't, then still it's valid. No, it has already provided 25 handles. So it's little risky, but I'll go for one more time. As the market didn't break this first presented gap, still I'll think about the sell side liquidity. So let's see if it can take me one more time. My mistake here, actually my everything was correct, but I forgot to add the volume balance over here, so I get confused and then got two losses. Other, instead of getting one winning trade, got two losses, losing trade. Oh, little excited. Yeah, that volume balance made me confused. Otherwise, it would be a winning trade because my stop loss was just above this fair value gap, if you remember, and it has provided me perfectly 25 handle, more than 25 handle. So it could be a winning trade, but because of this volume balance, I got confused and I closed my trade, then took the buy, which I should not be taken. And to be honest, this holding this one is bullshit right now. Guys, do you guys get the point? You remember last few days I was adding this volume balance because previously I find out that this volume balance made me confused. But today also I did the same thing. I forgot to add that volume balance over there. Market had the volume balance here. That small volume balance, I forgot to add that. So if I could add that, nobody has closed above this gap. That was my entry here. and stop loss was there, provided me perfectly 25 handle. It worked perfectly, but I got confused. I screwed up also. Oh man. Sorry guys, I really forgot to add that volume balance. Lot of things in my mind. What can I remember? The school brother, if you can capture 20, 30 handle, the school man. No worries, would love to see how this first presented gap is going to work again. Does it want to work this way again, or it would love to work upper way again? So we'll see that, and then we'll take our decision. Right now, according to the price action, there I don't see anything to take enter into this market. So I think I should wait a little more to see if it can reach over here one more time, and then can provide me any kind of selling opportunity or buying opportunity from this area. Yep, two sell side. This is the strongest liquidity actually from 15-minute chart. Strongest liquidity. I want to see, is this market structure shift or is this liquidity taken? If it is liquidity taken, then this first presented fair value gap will respect the mark. I mean, this price will respect the first presented gap. It will start to fall again. So I will try to take another sell from this order block. If it is the market structure shift, then market will make a fair value gap there. Trade that fair value gap will go above this first presented gap and close above this first presented gap. Then I will take the inverse entry for this buy side liquidity, this high and that high, or all of this buy side liquidity. I'll think about those buy side liquidity. So over here, if it wants to fall, then what is the logic here to fall? Market here trade the first presented gap for the first time. Then this is the order block. This to up close body close candle is the consecutive order block. Trade that order block, it will start to fall again if it wants to fall. Otherwise, if it wants to keep going higher, then market went lower, give the market structure shift, then maybe some kind of fair value gap over here, trade that fair value gap, violated this order block, keep going higher. If it wants to keep going higher, we'll participate to the run when market will above this first presented gap. If it wants to fall, then whatever will be the last up close body close candle and market will close below that last up close body close candle, I would love to prefer a selling opportunity from that propulsion block if it wants to fall and respect this order block. I'll put it here. If I see that this candle is going to close below this candle, I'll put it here. Okay. After that candle close, if this candle doesn't close below this candle, I'm not going to take this entry. No propulsion block, no entry. Okay. If it close above this first presented gap, I'll go for one more entry from the first presented gap. So that buy I took here, that's I'm going to use here. Though it's not valid because market has already provided me 25 handle, but still I'll try to catch the run because market has violated all of this area. So I want to see that if it can provide me that buying opportunity here from that top of this gap, because I know that my stop loss is going to support the whole idea. Let's see if it can tap there or not. Let me check where is the 20 handle. So that is the maximum line I can go for. I guess that is 20 handle. Yep. I'm just observing 20 handle, okay, not like where my stop loss should be, where I will put it. No, I'm not doing it exactly putting it around 20 handle, taking this risk to see that if it can go higher. If it stopped me out, this first presented gap entry, this is the last opportunity because here I did some mistake. So I went for this entry one more time. If it doesn't work, this first presented gap entry, I'll be done. This first presented entry, I'm done for this first presented entry because it has been violated the rules over here. Not interested to look for this entry. Instead of that, I'll go for the normal price action and would love to look for the selling opportunity. And this is gonna be the last entry for this morning session. If it doesn't work, this is gonna be the last entry. No, brother, it's not the macro entry, it's the normal price action entry. My target was this relatively equal lows. Market came here, trade, take the liquidity, trade that last gap. This small two line is the gap as well. Trade that last gap, fall, made the highest up close body close candle as an order block. The low of this candle to high of this candle, this is the whole order block. I wanted to catch the run from the opening of this consecutive order block. Market didn't reach until this area, then it is falling. This is the sell side liquidity where market is reaching for. So just for maybe one tick or something like that, it didn't take me. But still, I will start. I mean, I will hold it to see if it can provide me the entry opportunity before taking this line. I don't think so. It's a good idea to hold this anymore. This first three entry was depending on that first presented gap. So two things I have missed here. I didn't mark that full fair value gap. If I could mark that full fair value gap, maybe I wouldn't take this buy, this buy, these two buy. I wouldn't take any of them. Unfortunately, I didn't mark it and I messed up over there. Presented gap has provided us everything perfectly, but I was unable to get that facilities from that first presented gap just because I forgot to mark the volume balance. Yes, it is also a volume balance here. This is also a volume balance. This is the whole first presented gap. But I prefer the not overlapping area. Instead of overlapping, I prefer this gap to mark. This is that low I was expecting that market will take, but it didn't tap to this breaker order block just for one tick, maybe something like that. Otherwise, from there to there, this 82 handle will be booked by the entry, but unfortunately, it didn't tap you over there. This was the first trying to take entry depending on that price action when I was looking for that specific price action. When the liquidity is taken, then 22 YT model, does it really work? When market will reach to your destination? In my opinion, market has reached already to my destination. So now, is that 22 YD model is going to work? This is the question. Market reached, yeah, still I can see it's over there, but when market reached until the rejection block, it has already taken the liquidity. From 15-minute chart, you can see that it has already reached to the rejection block. So the liquidity has been taken already, but yeah, it has made relatively equal lows again. That is still over there. Just one trade from here to here, it could mitigate all of my losses. But just for one tick, market didn't take me. But it's okay. Still, I had the opportunity to trade here. By the way, guys, make sure that you are going to stop when you think that it's time to stop. I'm not doing all of these things because, as you can see, that I just bought this TradeOvate account here, which is the first account for me there, 001. So I want to see that I want to trade it over here. The only reason is that this right now I mean whatever they are providing 90% discount until 2nd February, sorry, 2nd January. Lifetime active is $85, reset is $35. Look at this amount of the money for 150, 250, and 300k. So I just bought one 150k account. I'll buy another 150k account as it is too small. I don't know how to manage this account, so I prefer 150k. But if you know how to manage 300k, please go for that 300k. There is no problem because it is also so cheap. So this is the offer right now. Apex is providing. If anyone, don't forget to use the code Wizard. And so far, I had made some profit here. I have just gave all of them here one trade for 15 handle, here one trade for 20 handle. But here I got already some losses, which I believe that I'll mitigate them. So let's start to look for an buying opportunity now until this first presented gap low, and then we'll hold my trade until this highs. Wanna see if this candle can be converted. I mean, market can shift this high or not first. Hey FX, how are you, brother? How many likes did I get? Guys, push the like button. I need 105 more likes. The stop loss is gonna be too big. Better watch the market how it is going to react from this gap, because if I want to take from there, I have to cover this gap. Then stop loss is gonna be 31 handle or something like that. Not interested to look for that entry. This 3 entry is depending on that first presented gap. We did the mistake over here, just didn't forget to mark that volume balance. So don't get confused about these entries. First price action entry was from there, market didn't take me for one tick, something like that. From there to until this line. So this is my second opportunity to go for the long. When market has taken all of this liquidity, it is in deep discount now. I want to see that it will go a little higher. I'm not able to take the entry from here. As you can see, it's gonna be huge stop loss. At least I have to cover here. It's gonna be like entry should be there. It's kind of 28 handle, so I'm not interested to take the entry. Instead, I would love to see if it can provide me another entry opportunity. So I'll better take that entry opportunity. I think, Mama, you can complete it by today. I mean, one day to pass. I'll check it. I'm on. I'll check it, brother. It has taken that relatively equal loss, traded the consequent crossment of that daily bullish gap, and I see that it will go little higher now. Here, I couldn't go for that trade when it tapped to this low of this gap. I wasn't able to take that entry from there just because of the stop loss. I was like 27 handle stop loss. It's too much for me. So I didn't prefer to take that buy just because of the stop loss. This relatively equal highs, which is the obvious liquidity, that is my first intention. Then this buy side liquidity is my second intention to see if it can reach over there or not. GN1313 Tradify 50K for $35. I didn't know that. Is that direct funding, brother? Or something else? If it is direct funding, let me know that. I will buy them. I'm just kidding. Yeah, guys, if anyone is interested about Tradify, you will find the link on the comment area or to the description. You can use that link. Okay, if anyone is interested about Tradify or Tick Tick Trader for direct funding, you'll get the discount over there as well. Gupta, whatever I did today, I would go for that for the first time, not the second time. Okay, second time sometimes it doesn't work or it doesn't. I mean, sometimes it's shit. But for the first time, if it close above that gap, I prefer to close the trade and prefer to go for buy because it works like that way. If it doesn't want to give you at least 25 handle in this way, then it will provide you 30 handle in the opposite way. You can observe it, but my I mistakenly actually didn't mark that volume balance, so that was my mistake. Otherwise, I wouldn't go for the buy here. And when it has provided you at least 25 handle over there, it doesn't need to respect this gap again. It doesn't need to do that, but it can be respected. It cannot be respected. I don't know how to use this one. So make sure that you have covered that first presented gap. And even if your stop loss didn't get stopped out, if you don't get stopped out, if you see the body close for the first time, right, you take the entry here and you saw the body has closed above this gap, you will close your trade, you will take the rebuy instead of that selling. It works like that way. You will observe it first, then you will take your decision. Because in the lower part this is a overlapped area and upper part there is a gap. I prefer to mark a gap instead of the overlapped area, because most of the time market doesn't respect the overlapped area but respect the gap. If there is a gap as well, I would cover that lower gap as well. Paimon, you have to just send me the friend request. I will accept it, brother. Okay. 160 likes. Need 90 more likes. Yeah, just 90 more likes. 9,498 subscriber on the right bottom here. I just need two more subscriber to make it 9,500. Guys, push the sub button and make it 9,500. $9,498. Just need two more subscriber. It was a very nice trade, but as the stop loss was much more bigger, I didn't go for that buy. If it was like 20 handle or something, if I could cover that gap, then I could go for that buy. Or if market could come here to this gap, made a order block there, I would go for that buy. But as it didn't make anything over here and no entry opportunity because of the strong or big stop loss, I just give up on that buy. That was the first selling opportunity for according to the price action. That was the second buying opportunity according to the price action. The reason is market has taken all of this liquidity at the beginning of this stream. I explained this all liquidity has been traded, taken, reacted from the 50% exactly from that daily bullish gap. There is some buy side liquidity here, there is some buy side liquidity here, which is so obvious. This buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity. Market was below midnight open and 8:30 open. It was in deep discount here. Just market didn't provide me any entry opportunity around this area. That was the it made me helpless actually. By the way, take profit trader, they are also going to, this is the last day, today is the last day for take profit trader, 40% discount, lifetime discount, and give back, take back the fees, whatever fees you are going to pay for the challenge account, they will give you that back with your first payout request. It's a good idea. I think you have no activation fees, nothing. So yeah, you guys can check that out. Maybe within 1 or 2 minutes, brother. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you will get the credential. You will get it, immediately, okay? How can I know, brother, what was that sudden move? Today is the last day of the year. So there can be something weird thing, brother. I really don't know what happened suddenly. Even there is no news as well. Not even the medium impact news. So this is the last day of the year, so make sure that you are ready to see this type of awkward situation. Brother, today is the last day of the year. Why you guys are forgetting that part? It is the last day of the year. So market is going to close the yearly candle, man. That sudden drop was just weird thing. The whole day you will keep seeing some kind of weird thing, some kind of weird thing, especially around 3 p.m. So around the closing time, you will see that weird things. No, you don't need to pay that every month if you can pass it. You don't need to pay it every month for my funded futures. But if you don't pass it, then and don't cancel the subscription, you will be charged. Hmm. 21440 is next target profit. Oh man, I went against you then. Ah, maybe I'll get stopped out. What did you think, Ketikan? Today's trading is gonna be easier. Today is the last day of the year. Obviously, today's trade is not gonna be easy. My stop loss was not able to cover the whole candle, which has made this gap. So I kept it over here to see that how I got stopped out prematurely. Then market is falling. It should fall, but it should not go higher. But I was just unable to cover this whole order block area. It should keep falling at least until this gap. No buying, okay? Buying will be valid if and only if market goes above this high. Then the buying is valid. Until then, no buying is valid for me. This is the next parallel gap. I was not able to cover this whole area. You have seen that I have tried a lot of things, but this is a highly volatile market. So I had to take that risk. Just put my stop loss by covering this open of that consecutive order block, covered that open. So my stop loss was over there, got stopped. I mean, stopped me out because of my stop loss. Then falling for this unfinished business. This would be the first, that could be the first partial, and then the second target could be this rejection block. If we trade the open, I will mark the open actually. If we trade that open, if it doesn't trade that open, I'll mark the low again. I'll look for, by the way, if any of you are interested to look for buy, please go for that. As I can see that, I mean, that guy, who was his name? I forgot his name. Okay, Alex. Alex was looking for 21440. Please, brother, don't change your analysis because of me. And any of you, don't look at my stop loss. My stop loss is always going to cover that 20 handle, nothing else. I don't look for the logical level, as I know that my stop loss should cover at least the candle which has made this gap, or maximum this order block, consecutive order block. I was not able to put my stop loss over here because it was more than 20 handle, so I was not able to go for that. My entry should be to the low of this gap and then cover the 20 handle. I was not able for that. I didn't take it, or I got stopped out prematurely. Mark the low because the low is respecting instead of the opening of that candle, so I'll keep it over here. Today is gonna be the greatest day for trading. This is the last day of the year. Make sure that you're not in rush. I told that today is the day just to enjoy the price action, nothing else. I'm doing all of this fun because the Apex is like very cheap right now. I can go for 10, 20 accounts. It's too cheap. $16 only for 150k account. I will buy 9 more accounts and I'll do all of these things. But today, no funded account should be touched. Go for the Eval as it is too cheap right now. Or the paper trade. Not the Eval account, please. Never ever focus on my stop loss. My stop loss is always too tight. I trail my stop loss too fast. It's a bad habit. I know that. Still, I'm not able to recover my stop loss or something like that. Trailing stop loss or something. I don't like that. Instead of that, I prefer to take re-entry. Instead of putting the stop loss huge, I prefer to go for the re-entry. You will just observe the logic why it is logical to fall now. It has taken all of this buy side liquidity. It was absolutely clear buy side liquidity from our daily chart. Our intention to see that market will fall. But before falling, market had to take some liquidity. So that was the liquidity which market has taken. I have this liquidity as well over here. Market doesn't need to take it because the manipulation happened over here. After 8:30, market went higher, did the manipulation over there. So manipulation has done already. It doesn't need to do the next manipulation. As our bias is bearish, we are expecting some kind of reaction from that 50%, exactly 50% from the daily week, daily fair value gap. We got that reaction. That reaction sent the market higher, took all of this liquidity. It should fall now, at least until to this fair value gap. And then if it can go through this rejection block, finally this new opening gap top. So in my opinion, you should not look for buy over here. Even if you go for the buy, maybe it can be very small target. Overall, today's market, I'm expecting this is going to be the bearish market, but we'll see. And if you watch here in 15 minutes chart, this is the 15 minutes candles over here. Okay, it's not moving anywhere. It just keep trading in the same range with huge volatility. You can see this is just 28 handle dollar from there, 28 handle dollar. I'm going to remove this one and going to frame another entry. But remember, stop loss was there, okay? So there is another opportunity, but it's been, I mean, I took a lot of entries already, so not interested to take this one. Another entry opportunity from there to until this area. Actually, not from there, exactly from here. So if it can reach there, that is the another opportunity to go for the short. Stop loss, to be honest, where it should be above this whole area here. I'm not able to do that. So I'll put it over here, just little above of that midnight open, little above. This is another opportunity. I'm not going for this trade because I already, you can see like lot of trade, you will say this is over trading, but I prefer this type of re-entry. Instead, I got stopped out because my stop loss, I will wait for another opportunity to take the entry. This is my re-entry opportunity. For market fall this time, trade that propulsion block without, I mean, manipulation. If it fall, this is not gonna be my next entry opportunity. Market came here, made this relatively equal lows, go back again, trade the opening of this propulsion block, took that liquidity. This top of this travel gap is the last area where market will go. I just didn't push my button because you will see it's over trading. But this is the logic. This entry is not gonna be my losing trade. If I don't focus on the stop loss instead of this stop loss, if I put it in a logical level, it's a winning trade. It's a winning trade. There is no question to take the buy. Yeah, this buy was the miscalculation because I saw it has been respected this area perfectly. So I thought that it will work as an inverse gap now, but it didn't work like that way. So this was a miscalculation. But otherwise, this first presented gap, perfect entry. Remember that selling opportunity didn't provide me just one tick. That buying opportunity, stop loss, this selling opportunity, everything you will look focus over here. If you look these entries, I got stopped out. You will not going to get the point what I'm trying to explain you. You will focus on the themes when I'm framing a selling opportunity, a buying opportunity, and put your stop loss in a logical level and then see how many times you get stopped out. How many times you get stopped out, okay? Then observe that. My stop loss, I prefer this type of very tight stop loss, very tight stop loss, because if I'm wrong, I'll get stopped out in a small stop loss. Even if I get prematurely stopped out, I know that how to take the re-entry over there until this liquidity, which is obvious liquidity. If you even take a partial here, that is 31 handle. Even if you take a partial, that is 31 handle partial. Maybe after taking this partial, you got stopped out to the break even. So are you kidding me? Seriously? Wow. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel, and make sure that you have pushed the like button. It's 250 likes. We are going to start the giveaway. Okay, please push the like button. Everyone, 179 people are watching. Please push the like button. Make it 250 likes. We can start the giveaway and we can complete or finish our stream over here. Okay, so please start pushing the like button. Make it 250 likes. I'm going to remove it because it has already taken that obvious liquidity. It didn't reach over here. That is something very suspicious to me. Why it didn't came to this parallel gap? Observing this highest up close body close candle, if it can stop the price, send it higher again without falling this gap. Can it keep going higher? Though I don't want to see that, I want to see it will fall again and trade this gap. There's a possibility that maybe it will go higher now. So just observing this up close body close candle, can it hold the market, send it higher again? I'm going to remove this gap. If it keep going higher, I'll do nothing. I'm going to remove this one, keep this one. The theme is this is an unfinished business. Market should finish this business first. Even if it wants to go higher, it should finish this thing first. That means it should reach for this gap. That is my logic to think that it will tap over there. Then it wants to go higher for this buy side liquidity. It's okay, acceptable. But before trading here, it should not go higher. So this is the reason I'm not interested to think about the buy. I want to see if it can make another selling opportunity. Observing the propulsion block mean threshold, can it hold the market or not? Here, this is the propulsion block mean threshold, the 50% of that propulsion block mean threshold. Can it hold the market and send it lower again or not? Remember, my stop loss was just little above of this midnight open. Well, make it 200 likes. Actually, today's price action is not very easy to read. So make it 200 likes and we'll start the giveaway. Next giveaway we are going to celebrate in our Discord group. So if you are with us in our Discord, you will see the link in the pinned comment. If you are with us in the Discord, then maybe you will get a better opportunity to win the account. Okay, just make sure that you have joined to our free Discord group. You will get the link in the pinned comment in the comment box. No, brother, I didn't start yet. So if you start to write down T2 wizard, it's not going to work. Just make it 200 likes, then we are going to start the giveaway. Just 9 more likes I need, then we will start the giveaway. Brother, make it 200 likes. Okay, just 9 more likes, then we'll start the giveaway. I will start it, then it will work if you want to write it. This is the propulsion block mean threshold that is holding the price. I want to see that this will fall and trade this gap, but it can keep going higher from this breaker block. If it started to go higher, I'm just wrong about the direction or about this area. I'll be wrong like this. So I'm not interested to look for a buy here. If am I want to enter into this market again? No. My entering opportunity was from this propulsion block here. If you remember, around this area, stop loss was just covered that daily midnight open. Maybe target was there, that low. That can be a partial. This is the target. So that is gonna be the stop loss. I'm not interested to enter again over here because market has taken that liquidity. So I have the opportunity to observe this market to see if it wants to keep falling. Okay. But again, if any of you are interested to look for a buying opportunity, please go for that. Guys, you have to make it 200. Okay, I got the 200 likes. Thank you so much. I'm going to start it now and make sure that you have written it one more time. Now please write down the T2 SMC, T2 wizard. Okay. Now it's gonna work. Here you will get the ticket now. I'll write down T2 wizard. Am I going to get the ticket? There I go. I got the ticket. Guys, if you are selected in the dark run, make sure that you didn't leave, because after winning, you have to give me a message to the Discord link, to Discord group. If you are not able to do that, I will choose another winner. So make sure that you didn't leave it. And please make sure that you also understand what is the reason for looking for that sale or everything, what I was observing and what I was doing over here. Why I was not looking for buy, instead I was keep looking for sell. What is the reason, everything. Okay, please don't just forget to focus over there as well. And everyone please join our Discord, because if you are the winner and you are not a Discord member, you won't be able to confirm that you are the winner. Just the darkness. And please everyone, please write down boom. Okay, whoever will watch my entry, my stop loss, they will never get the point what I was outlining here, how I was thinking about buy. When market was going high, I was wrong only one time, and that was here. That was my wrong prediction, and I just told that at it has been respected here, maybe it will work as an inverse gap and then it will go higher. So this was all depend on the first presented gap. My first price action entry, order block entry here, that was my first entry. I didn't get entered because of 1 or 2 t. Market perfectly came here. Then that was my second buying opportunity. I was not able to take this one because of the 28 handle stop loss. It worked perfectly. This is my third opportunity to go for the sell here. Because of the stop loss, I got stopped out. If I, you can see here, just got stopped out here. If my stop loss just covered there, it is gonna be the winning trade, at least like 41 handle winning trade, just because of my stop loss. By the way, this was the fourth opportunity, as I didn't push my button over here because of it is overtrading. You'll say overtrading. There you go, the boom. That was the unfinished business. Market had to finish this business, even if it wants to go higher. I don't know it will go higher or not, but I want to see it will fall. But that was the unfinished business. Market has to finish over there. Make sure that you have written this one, and one time only. You don't need to write it down 1,000 times, because you are going to get one ticket only. Uday, just write one time, brother. You are not going to get the, you know, what's I mean, the ticket more than one time. So if you write it down one time, it's more than enough, brother. You don't need to write it down a lot of times. This rejection block is the next target. Finally, this low and this weak opening gap top. That is the target. So I think that when you are looking for buy, it was not a good decision, brother. Don't focus on my stop loss. I keep repeating. Focus on the price action when I'm looking for buy, when I'm looking for sell. It will change your whole concept about trading. If you just copy trade and look over my stop loss, you are going to miss the whole thing I'm trying to explain about the price action. Just judge if I put my stop loss in a logical level, how many times I'm going to get stopped out. You will rarely get that. I don't prefer that. Instead of that, what I do, I take re-entry from this propulsion block. Try to take re-entry. Got stopped out? No worries. I'll take re-entry. Got stopped out? Took re-entry. Something like that. Until I got my run, what I was expecting. That was my run. I expected. That was my run. I expected. That was my run. I expected. That's all I was expecting. Perfectly, it has provided me this. I want to see that this market will come until this area, this new opening gap top at least. Then this constant encroachment is the last line for today. I want to see that if it wants to keep falling, this is the last line. Market can fall. Yeah, this dotted line is the last line. Market can fall. Who has the question about this? If you have the question, let me know, please. I'm here, okay? I'm telling you everything. I'm showing you everything. The thing I do in the paper trade, the same thing I do even if I trade live money or the the eval, whatever it is. I do the same thing. I always care about that 20 handle loss. You're seeing that market. I got a stood out. First of all, this is the bullshit area. So don't want to talk about that area because I mistakenly didn't mark that volume balance. That was just a human error. But this entry, when I got a stood out here, I really don't care. I'll take re-entry over there. It will mitigate all of my losses. Even if I just close my trade below this relatively equal loss, that is 31 handle. So I got 20 handle loss here. I closed my trade over there, 31 handle profit. If I'm not doing that, then I will either trail my stop loss or maybe try to take re-entry in a logical level. Brother, this new week opening gap is from 1st of December. This is the new week opening up from 1st of December. Here I'm not able to look for any sell anymore. The reason is market is already too far. So I had the opportunity to go for the sell from there as I missed this entry opportunity or re-entry opportunity or got stopped out because market, as you can see, this candle has made this fair value gap that has never been closed, or this is that consecutive order block opening of the highest up close body close candle respected that, then market fall. So either way, that is the area I should look for the selling opportunity. Now I'm not interested to look for any kind of sell anymore because it's too far now. Here the entry opportunity was valid because market has taken the liquidity. This liquidity has been taken over there. So the selling was valid. Here the selling was valid because market has taken that liquidity. So selling was valid. Here the buying was valid because this low has taken all of this liquidity. So buying was valid. So every single area when market take the liquidity, I'm willing to go for the trade. right now here market didn't take any liquidity, has uh, nothing has been taken over here. So I'm not able to look for any kind of sell. Even if market fall over here, I have to let this go. I can't look for another sell over here. If you come here in the pin comment, this is the Discord, so you guys can click on that link and join our Discord group. So make sure that you have clicked on that link and joined our Discord group. Okay, as market is just falling and going to make another setup, I guess, so I would love to talk about little bit about the prop firm, because some of you are interested about trading prop firm. So I want to say about them because today is almost a very last day for a lot of prop firm best opportunity to trade. Okay, so I will start with the Apex. For Apex, there is 90% discount. This is valid until January 2nd. Lifetime price action activation fees is gonna be $85, 150, 250, 300k. All of these accounts, if you can pass, you have to pay $85. You are allowed to trade 20 accounts. That means the copy trade. And you can see the price 300k account just for $6. In my opinion, that is the cheapest thing. Even you can see 100k account is $20, 75k account is $18, 15k 50k account is $16, and all of this area is the $16. So in my opinion, you can go for any of this area, and as it is like too cheap, I promise you brother, this is too cheap. For 300k account just for $16 and $85, man, it is unbelievable. So if any of you are interested, make sure that you have used this code T2 Wizard. This is Thursday 2nd of January. Okay. After this, I would love to go for the my funded futures. For my futures, 50k account are just for $80 right now, which is valid until today. So today is gonna be the last day for that opportunity. If you think that you wanna get that my funded futures account with $80, that means that 50k account, then you have to buy it by today. You don't need to pay any kind of activation fees or nothing. So today I'm going to give on my funded futures account, where if you can pass it, you don't need to pay any kind of activation fees. Make sure that you have used the same code T2 Wizard without the explanation mark. So no explanation mark, just T2 Wizard is the code. Okay, I'd love to talk about the Bullnox. Right now Bullnox is going to provide 91% discount, which is also valid until tomorrow, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Okay, it's gonna be valid until tomorrow. So if you want to use that 91% discount for option 1, then make sure that you have used the code T2 Wizard. Take profit trader, I'm just going to give the little introduction, okay, because today is the last opportunity for most of the prop firm. I don't want you to miss any of them. Take profit trader is one of the best prop firm in my opinion. They don't have the activation fees as well. You will get like 40% discount. If you use the code T2 Wizard, you will get 40% discount. Okay, now whatever money you are going to pay, if you can pass that account and can make some profit, they're the fastest prop firm to pay you out. Okay, I mean, you will get the payout as fast as comparing with all other prop firm. So for take profit trader, if you can request for the first payout, they will give you back the challenge fee. And this is not for the first time, it's gonna be your lifetime opportunity. If you use T2 Wizard code and buy account from the take profit trader by today. Today is the last day. So today 11:59 p.m. is the last time for that opportunity as well. After that, I want to talk about the Tradify. Tradify account is very famous for direct funding. That means if you don't like the challenge, instead you want to trade through your direct funding account, then you can use the Tradify. Over there you will get the highest discount if you use the link. If you use the link and the code SNOW, I guess, if I'm not wrong, the code is SNOW, SNOW, SNOW. You will go to that website, you will get everything. You will get the link to the description or to the pin comment box. Okay, their offer is also valid until today. Then earned to trade, which is one of the best in my opinion right now, because where you will get 150k account, 150k account by $76 if I'm not wrong. If you use the code T2 wizard, then you will get that amount of money. You will spend that amount of money for 50k account, and then if you can pass it, they will give you two options. One is sim funded, another one is live funded. If you choose live funded, they will use the trailing drawdown, and then they will every single time you will get your profit or profit target, you will fill your profit target, they will give you back your profit. At the same time, they will give you a bigger account. That means you buy 50k account, they will provide you 100k account. You will achieve the target for that 100k account, they will give you 200 account. You will achieve the target, they will provide you 400k live account. That is going to be the live money. So it's a great opportunity in my opinion for earn to trade. You guys can use that code T2 wizard, or you can use the link. You'll find it in the description, I guess. And tick trader, same thing, no evaluation, direct funding, no challenge, direct funding. If you use the code T2 wizard, you will get the best discounts over there. And finally, Aqua funded. If any of you are interested about the forex, then you can use that Aqua funded, I guess. I will start the giveaway around 11:30. So after 50 minutes, I will start the giveaway. So if you didn't enter into the competition yet, make sure that you have written that T2 wizard. To enter the giveaway, comment T2 wizard, and this is how you are going to enter into that draw. Sorry for that big introduction about the prop firm, because this is all kind of like greatest opportunity right now. I really don't know how to explain this on this greatest opportunity. I really wanted to buy one, so I took one today, and I will buy another 9 maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I guess tomorrow I will buy another 9 account. I prefer 150k because I never traded more than 150k account, where I will get 5k trailing drawdown and 9k target just for 16.7. So I will take like 10 account. If I can pass like 2 to 3 account maximum, if I can pass them, that's cool for me. I'm not interested to pay that activation fees right now, but if I see that I passed 5 account, maybe I will pay that $85 for those five account, and then I will do the copy trade for some days. I don't know what I will do, but right now I wanna buy them and I wanna use them. 300k account just for $16. It's unbelievable. Just make sure that you have used the code T2 wizard. If you use it, our channel will be grateful to you, and it will be a great help for our channel. So thanks for helping, and I really appreciate to all of you. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. I thought that it will be like 9,500 before closing this year. I got 9,513 people, a big family right now. Thank you so much to everyone. Yeah, good night. I get GN actually. Yeah, I think I will buy it in 2nd of January. I think that is the best area. Brother, I will trade every day. But if you ask me when you should add your real money in the market again, from the 2nd February of the new year. So whole January and the first week of the February, we should not trade the real or the real account. That is the low probable area, because that is gonna kind of yearly accumulation phase you will see around that area, around the whole January. So it's gonna be like range bound from your very high time frame. Al Mahmoudi 9513 target hit. So you are looking for sell or buy, brother. If you are looking for sell, I really appreciate that, because I will say that okay, this guy actually believed me. The way I explained that today's market is gonna be bear market, or whatever I explained, the way I explained it, this guy believed me. Otherwise, if you look for the buy, I don't think so. What should I say? I should say, I hate you. You don't believe me. I hate you. Oh, just subscriber 9,513. Oh, okay, that was about subscriber. Downward subscriber, I don't like. I love the upward subscriber. 95141516, something like that. So 11 minutes left for the giveaway. Make sure that you have joined to the giveaway. Just write down the T2 wizard. We are going to give one 50k account for my funded futures today. 174 users has entered into this area. Okay. But today, whenever I will choose one, I will see that if you comment, then I will add you. Otherwise, I'm not going to add you there. I would love to observe this gap for looking for another selling opportunity. This gap, another selling opportunity. From this area, stop loss should be there, at least there. Target is gonna be here. In the meantime, maybe we'll take some partial anywhere, but that gonna be like my maximum target. The entry is gonna be from this parallel gap. Wherever the fair value gap will be, by the way. Ha, 9 minutes left. If you didn't enter into the giveaway, please make sure that you have entered to the giveaway. Okay, just 9 minutes left. Make sure that you have entered to the giveaway. I'll keep it like this way. I'm not going to take any partial. I'm not going to trail my stop loss. Nothing. I'll just leave it like this way. If it hit my target profit, I'm cool. If it doesn't hit my target profit, I'm cool as well. I'll just let it go. But you please don't follow my things, whatever I'm doing. You don't follow this. You will just follow the whole things we talked about. How to uh, manage the trade, how to do everything. You will focus over there. Please don't focus over here. I'm just doing fun. It's just $16 for 150k account. I really don't care about that. Two 213 likes. Okay, 290 likes. Thank you so much, guys, for pushing the like button. 180 people has joined. Make sure that all of you has subscribed to our channel. All of you has entered to our Discord. Yeah, that's all. Mhm. This is a tough situation to hold my stop loss over here, but as I've told, I'm not moving it. But this is a tough situation to put my stop loss over there yet, because this is the lowest down close body close candle. It can work as an order block. So if this high is going to be taken, then it can simply stop me out. So in this type of situation, what I do, actually put my stop loss over here. So today I'm not going to move it. I will leave it over here for the last time. I am not going to trail it, but as I showed you, this is how I actually manage the trade. And you see, sometimes I get stopped out prematurely. So from that area to I'll put my stop loss over here. I prefer to do that because this order block can hold the price, send the market higher again. So I don't want to see that. So in that type of situation, I'll cover my loss from $17 to $13. But today I'm not going to do that. If it hit my stop loss, I'll get a stop loss. It's okay. All I need to see that a body close below this line. This is my first interest to see. A body close below this line that is gonna confirm that this order block is broken. This is the mean threshold of that order block. I wanna see a body close below this mean threshold so that I get confirmation that market is going to fall. 4 minutes to left for this giveaway. So make sure that you have joined to our giveaway. If you didn't yet, make sure that you have written T2 wizard to join to our giveaway, to enter to our giveaway. Okay, here. If you write it down one time, you don't need to write it down one more time. Okay, 100 to 82. And after the giveaway, we are going to close the session. Make sure that you are not over trading with your with your live money today. Today is the last day of the year, so make sure that you are not in rush. Please don't do that. Today is gonna be the weird day ever, so please don't go for that. Just only because the perception, okay, the way we predict the market, sometimes it doesn't work like that way. Like today, it is extremely volatile and it is not respecting every PDRA. So I'm just failing to hold my trade for with a specific stop loss. I'm not able to do that. So that is why it's like low probability for me. But at the same time, it's your account, your choice. Whatever you want to do, you can do. There is nothing wrong. 3 minutes to go for this giveaway. Make sure that you have already joined to the giveaway. So for this order block is holding the price. I really didn't want to see that. I want to see they are going to be broken. This order block is going to be broken. This mean threshold is going to be broken. So body close below this mean threshold, like 2 to 3 bodies close, that is enough. At least 2 to 3 body close. That is enough for me to think about the fall. 2 minutes to go to join to this giveaway. Make sure that you have write down the T2 wizard with the explanation mark. Did you enter to that area, man? I also entered. I mean, I write down T2 wizard as well. Let's see who can be the luckier here, man. We'll see who can be the luckier here. Last minute to join to this giveaway. Make sure that you have write down T2 wizard. This is the last minute, and I'm going to close the entries after this minute. Okay. So for this order block, and the min threshold of this order block is holding the price. Look at the reaction from this min threshold and bodies from that order block. I don't like it. If I'm looking for sell, I don't want to see that they are going to be respected. But the way they are respected, that is why I prefer to put my stop loss over here. But this time I'm not going to do that. I'll keep it over there. Because sometimes you see that I get prematurely stopped out, and which I really don't like. I mean I like, but you don't like to see. So it has closed below this min threshold. I'm very happy to see. Right now would love to see that body will close below this low, because one candle closed below this min threshold, the very next candle is going to close above this min threshold. This is called the fake breakout. I'm pretty much care about that fake breakout. So I'm going to close the entries. So 192 people has joined. Let me actually sorry, not there actually. There. Okay. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready. Let me know. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Let's go. Who is gonna be the winner of this account? Pick the winner. T2SMC trader. No. It's Steve Trades. Congratulations, brother. Please write down something so that I can know that you are still here. Whatever you just write down something to the comment box, then I will get that you are still here. Otherwise, I'll remove the name, because yesterday we were in a big trouble. Names, edit list, clear list, comment V. Okay. Steve, please write down something, otherwise I will remove your name from there. And every winner, okay? Kevin B. Congratulations, brother Kevin. Write down something so that I can know you are still here. Congratulations, by the way, Kevin. Next winner. Hey, garbage. This guy really hates me. This guy really hates me. Just make sure that you are here so that I can keep you over there, okay? And the winner, Geeta Panchal. She's little unlucky like me. Last time she was in the race, but not the winner, like me. Geeta, let's see this time, okay? Golden Zone. Where is Pro Trader Path? Where is T2SMC Trader? Where is Outlander? Where is SK Trades? Where are they? Where is Tamimi? By the way, what is happening over here? Okay, it is struggling. Okay. I write down the Golden Zone. Yeah, Golden Zone is on. Let's see, go for the another winner. Via sets. If I'm not wrong, it is via sets. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Gubit, congratulations, brother. If I'm not here, I'm gonna cry, to be honest. There you go. Beacon Music. Welcome, brother. By the way, these very new names. Our next giveaway will be in the Discord, so make sure that you have joined our Discord. Okay, if you are not with us in our Discord, I don't think so that you will be able to join our next one and also this one. Now I wanna check every single one of you. Did you comment? If I see that nobody has commented, like for example here, I will change. I will remove him because he didn't comment. So I think that he's not here. So I'll remove him. Okay. Kevin is here. Garbage is here. Okay. Trading for pips. Now 10 name I got. I will just go every single one of you. Whoever didn't comment, I'll just remove them from here. Okay. So maybe I will remove Steve Trades. He's here. He's here. He's here. And then I will remove Golden John. Vest is here. Gumit is here. I will remove this beacon music. If you don't, okay, beacon is here actually. President is here. He's here. So I wanna see. Steve is not there, so I'm going to remove him. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. I'm going to remove him. Steve, are you here? No, I don't think so. He's here. Okay. No, Steve is not here, so I'm going to remove him. Okay. So I'll choose the another winner. It's Pixel Dash. Brother, please comment something so that I can know that you are still here. Pixel, please write down something, brother, so that I can know you are still here. Okay. Pixel Dash. Are you here, brother? Okay, Pixel is here. Okay, thank you and congratulations, all of you. I think that Outlander and me, both of us are the bad lucky guy. So, okay, they are broken, so I'm going to remove them. Let's see that can it fall here or not. I'll just let this go. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope that next time we will be lucky, more lucky. Okay, guys, are you ready? Let's go. Who do you think is gonna be the winner? Cock. Cock. Okay. Okay. Twelve. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey Pixel, congratulations, brother. You have to comment to our Discord. So make sure that you have comment to our Discord first, okay? Don't worry, I will try to find new giveaway and I will hold another giveaway to our Discord group. So next giveaway is gonna be in our Discord group, okay? Brother, please comment over here in our Discord, and then you have to confirm. Just comment here first, okay? Pixel dash here, okay? So this Shahil FXX SEXS, okay, this guy. Are you Pixel dash? Are you Pixel dash, brother? Just confirm me over here. Are you in the YouTube? Are you the same guy? Okay. Thank you, brother. Just make sure that you have given me a request, friend request in our Discord group. So go over here and send me a friend request to T2SMC Trader. Okay, then I will tell you the rest of the things, whatever you have to do. Okay, thank you guys, and congratulations, Pixel Dash. I hope that you will use this account in a good way and you will request for the payout. I'll be very happy to see your payout screenshots. Okay, brother. And yeah, I was looking for selling opportunity, and whatever it is, I will just close my stream right now. And yeah, I hope that tomorrow is gonna be the holiday. Make sure you're not in rush to the last day of the year. Again, if you like the epics, don't forget to use the code T2 Wizard. Everyone, happy new year. Every single one of you, happy new year. Stay safe, be safe, enjoy the rest of the year, rest of the day, and happy new year again. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.